Hello, my amazing families. You're all welcome to Cook with Grace Kiswe. So, in today's video, guess what? I tried this Hilda challenge. I challenged Hilda to see if I can do it too. But, guys, it's kind of funny. Just see through to the end and see how it turns out. So, today I was making ofaku and her soup. Ofaku is one of the religious, traditional soup or stew, whichever one in the eastern part in Nigeria. So it's one of the soup that everyone wish to, in fact, love to make, and the taste is yummy. So I have to try this because I can get the seed one. That's why I got the tin one where I am. There, I was unable to get the seed, so I make use of the tin one. But all the same, it still turns out yummy, yummy, yummy. After that, I still use the same pot to cook the or her soup, since I'm still using the banga too, so there's no need for me to kind of wash the pots or throw away all those things. So I use the same pot to make the banga soup. Okay, to make the oha soup, sorry, not the banga soup. So which it turns out to be yummy too. So in fact, I kind of love the soup and the the ofaku. It turns out very tasty and nice. So guys, say if you know you'll be trying this method, at least I made an attempt challenging Hilda. Hilda Baci, just to say cheer to congratulate her the more on her efforts so far. So, but it's kind of amazing trying this challenge for over 5 to 6 hours. Yeah, but it's okay. She's really I cheer her up. Yeah, she really inspired many people and encouraged them a lot. So you see in this offer or her soup, please don't do this method I did though. Don't pour the or her at the inside. You can use I normally mix with water before pouring inside. So maybe that's how today turns out to be. So that's the reason. So the reason why it's kind of dark, I added ogiri, and you know ogiri. Maybe the ogiri is too much. That's why the soup later turns dark, but it's still okay. At least you can see from the face, from the look, that it's still okay. So guys, I love you. Remain blessed. Don't fight though. I love you guys as always. Thanks for watching. Bye.